everyone. We just spent the night in a place called Adel's Grove. We're still here. It's the 21st of January. We're just going to have a quick bite to eat, which is bacon and eggs, which we cooked last night, along with a bunch of other things. Kim and I make up 2/3 of the people here. This place can accommodate, I think, about 200 people in the peak season. But we're in the off season, and the owners are good friends with the ranger. And the gorge that is normally closed during the off season, she reckons she can twist the ranger's arm and get us up the gorge in some canoes. So we're looking forward to that today. Yesterday was good, just driving through some really nice country. Not much to see in Georgetown, but the road from Georgetown to here was pretty nice. Not much else to update you on. So let's jump into some canoeing. The detail on these fossils is incredible. Look at this fossil. So much colour. Alright, our first fossil. How cool. That's the shell of a turtle.
Well, this must be something.
There should be a crocodile somewhere around here too.
Yeah, is that it?
Nah, I think it's over there.
So that's a bone.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, there's another bone.
Ooh. Ooh, there's another one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Kim's gone back to the car. It's too hot for her. She's had a hot day canoeing and now this is just too much. So I'm on mine for the remaining 3/4 of this. Now the views are spectacular because you only need a little bit of elevation out here to see a whole lot because it's so flat everywhere else. I've never really seen fossils quite like this. And hopefully we see some pretty cool ones the further we get into this, because those first two were cool, but they weren't what I was expecting. Can I get a hiya? Sorry, Kim, but you missed out on a hell of a view. I just want to say, places like this are kind of surreal. Like, I feel like I'm in a video game or a movie. All right, we cut up to the big bird fossil. Now, when I read about this, I was kind of imagining that scene in The Simpsons where they had that angel that turned out to be fake anyway. And I think we're going to get something a whole lot different, but anyway, I've hit the nail on the head, I think, with what this feels like. It feels like I'm in season 1 of Westworld. Like, I'm aware of the modern world, but I'm in this, like, just desert with all these little secrets. It's really cool. Anyway, here's a very big bird fossil. These birds were massive, standing up to 3.5 meters tall and weighing around 300 kilos. Despite being flightless like emus, cassowaries and ostriches, their skulls indicate that they are more closely related to the group of birds that includes ducks and chickens. The massive small pebbles you see here are gastroliths, swallowed by these birds to help grind up food before digestion. These pebbles are round and smooth from the polishing action inside the bird's crop. You can even see more of the bone down in the side here as well. So that's really cool. Alright, once you've made the drive all the way out here and seen the fossils, it's a rite of passage to do a few doughies in the car park, so don't forget to do that on your way out. And yeah, make sure you don't take any rocks home with you either. That's illegal. Time to go to the Northern Territory, I think. It had to happen sooner or later.
Okay, so we got quite up north because we wanted to go along the #1 state route, and that was going to be the safest bet because it was a sealed road, and we got here and it's completely flooded. So
Has been for a month. So it's low.
If you're in
at the moment,
a heightened four-wheel drive,
which was still pretty
not.
high. Yeah. Anyway,
Yeah.
there's a Hilux sitting just over there with a waterlogged engine, so we're not going to make it.
So we sleep here for the night and then we go all the way back down.
Should be right. We're at the roadhouse around the corner from that flooded road, and the lady here says we picked the wrong time of year to do what we're doing.
We know.
We know. Oh well, part of the adventure.
Okay.
We sleep in the car again, and the fan broke, so it's just going to be every 2 hours turning the car on to run the air conditioning, stay awake for a bit, turn the car off, sleep, repeat.
We got this.